Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
Okay. I'm fine too. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Kayla, and you can call me Miss Tania. And I'm here to be your physics teacher. Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Enough. In today's meeting, is everyone here?
Yes, miss.
Before we get into the main topic, I'll ask you about last week's lessons. What did you learn last week?
Books long.
Okay, that's right. And well, in books long, there is a word about elastic. What does elastic mean?
So, elastic is an object that can return to its original shape after being moved or pressed down.
Okay, good to fun. Now, what does plastic mean in physics?
Really,
Okay, Nata.
plastic means that after being moved or pressed, it changes its shape and doesn't return to its original shape.
Exactly. Now, after being pulled now from elastic objects, we can recognize a law called Hooke's law. Does anyone know what is Hooke's law and what's the equation of Hooke's law? Okay, Lisa?
That the force exerted on a spring is proportional to the change it is like, and the formula is force equals K times delta X.
Okay, so from what Lisa say, Hooke's law states that the force exerted on a spring is proportional to the change in its length, and the formula is force equals spring constant times the length increase. Now let's continue by watching the video that I'm going to show you. So from the video that has been shown, is there anything you want to ask or curious about? Okay, Lisa?
Okay, why can the motor tricycle find its position if a little thing has been moved many times?
Okay, that's a great question. From Lisa, anyone want to ask a question? Okay, Elsa?
What is the shape of the motor?
Okay, thank you, Lisa and Elsa. From the questions from your first questions, we will discuss in this topic. It's called elastic potential energy, and the learning objective is first the concept of elastic potential energy, and second mathematical equation of elastic potential energy. And I will, from the question from Lisa and Elsa, you guys, I will give you a simulation, and I will divide you into two groups. So I will divide you into two groups. The first group is Lisa, Elsa, Lisa. The second group Afni, Nova, is Nata. Okay, please pay attention to each step in the worksheet, and you can start working on the simulation for 10 minutes. Okay, the discussion time is over. Now one group can present the results of the experiment, and its group can respond whether the results are the same or different. Who want to present?
So,
Okay.
so that